Hostiles. Look at this truck, y'all. Are these 22 by 12s?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, y'all. Welcome back to another Powerstroke video. We're out here in the Powerstroke garage, and today we are doing ball joints, upper and lower, axle shaft U-joint, hub assembly as in wheel bearing on a 2010 Ford F-250, and we're gonna walk you through on how to do this and probably do some time lapses, have some good laughs, and we'll show you working on some stuff from the rust belt here. So we're gonna show you everything we're gonna be taking off here as we get started here. Obviously the wheels off first, jack the front axle up, put a jack stand through one of them under there just to be safe. So it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning by, and hopefully these videos help you guys. We're gonna show you pressing the ball joints out. We're gonna show you the tool I got for pressing the hub seal on and off. It's a good tool to have. You're gonna want it, vacuum seal, and yeah, let's get it, y'all. All right, y'all, so what you see we're doing here is, obviously, like I said, we're doing upper and lower ball joints. We're doing the axle shaft U-joint in there, and we're doing a whole new hub assembly. So T25 to take these, your locking hub off. And then right now we use a, what is it, 21 millimeter? Yeah. For the caliper bracket. And then what was this one? Was this a 18?
For the caliper?
For the slide pins?
16.
16 for the slide pins. So I got your caliper just hanging up over here, and yeah, now we're gonna pop this off. We're gonna pop the rotor off. We're gonna then work on getting the hub assembly off. You got 4 bolts behind it. I believe those are 21s too. I don't remember off the top of my head, but you're just gonna see us getting after it, y'all. Coil everything down. We're gonna take these cotter pins out. We're gonna essentially take the whole knuckle off. So we're gonna drop this tie rod as well. So yep, we'll dial her in. Rotor, Ohio rust. We're reusing the rotor, obviously. So I was tapping the back with a rubber mallet. Mike was hitting right here with the ball beam dead blow. So hitting that hub's out. And then tie rod is dropped with the air hammer and a pickle fork attachment. I did kind of burst the boot a little bit, so there's a little bit of grease there, but don't recommend that. So anyway, where we're at now is we're gonna take the wheel bearing off. And is it a 21? Yeah. Yeah, so you got 4 21s bolted behind, holding this bad boy on. So they're back in there. We're gonna take them out. This hose is off. We're gonna take the whole knuckle out and start working on it. Dust shield will slide off after the wheel bearing, and then we're gonna show you doing the ball joints and everything. So yep, keep on tuning in. Get it, little man. Come on. Work harder. Oh, I shouldn't say that, guys. He's working for free. You're doing good. You got it. What you're going to see us do here is there's that snap ring in there. We're going to take that off before we start pounding the wheel bearing off. And we got this snap ring plier tool. I thought this was OTC. Made in USA. It might be OTC or Lyle. I think it's Lyle, actually. And it's a ratcheting snap ring pliers. You definitely need these. They're long and they fit in there because these snap rings suck. So we're going to take it off now. All right, guys, so the wheel bearing is out. Dust shield's a little clapperinoed out. You probably have that on a rusty truck. So, yeah. Now we're gonna take the axle shaft out. We're gonna pop that seal out, and then we're going to take the ball joints off. All right, y'all, so this is where we're at. So we're gonna clean this knuckle up once we take it off here before we reseal everything. We're gonna show you all that, but right now we're taking the old ball joint arenos out, and I'm guessing it's a 30 milli, but I don't know for sure, so we're gonna grab that. Larry Hoover and see what we're operating with. We'll use the old pickle fork to knock this whole knuckle off. All right, guys, so that footage you saw was a mix between the air hammer snap-on and the 56-ounce big old ball peen dead blow, getting that knuckle off. That's not too bad. I've had worse, so I think we did pretty good on that. So now we are over here at the bench, and we're going to show you our Harbor Freight ball joint press tool, and we're going to zip these ball joints out, and we're going to press the new ones in. And then once we do that, we're gonna go over to the axle shaft. We're gonna show you getting the U-joint out and getting this seal off with a special tool I got as well. So keep on trucking along. This is all garbage right here.
What's up with this boot pack snap-on pan?
Why does this toolbox look better than yours? It's got a purple trim kit.
Ooh, that does look good.
I guess how much the trim is for this thing?
1,200. What? No.
Yep. Yep.
No. Give me a can of spray paint. We're gonna fucking dollar in for you.
Can of spray paint.
You
All right, guys. Not everything's snap-on around here. We got Maddox, Harbor Freight, ball joint press, and we got the master ball joint adapter set. Buy these for probably under 150 bucks. I don't know, something like that. Maybe around 100, but we're going to show you how to operate.
Don't show the insurance company this, guys.
We're not using a GFI.
Must be just the sunlight. He goes, "Well, your record's good. Here you go."
You said, I have 6 bench warrants.
Fucking cops, dude.
What, did you get pulled over?
Yeah, for 10.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
I
I did.
told
Where?
you, man.
In Northfield.
What?
This
No.
Go through there. Go through there.
The cop, we were going like this, right? It was just what was it?
I drive through every day.
Something like that. I don't know. We went.
You're a savage with that thing. You said, I'll just cut with it.
All right. So I want to go back to my...
So y'all put no new parts on yet?
But all the old is out. Usually the old is the hardest part because...
Oh,
Yeah, this is old.
that's old too.
The old stuff because it's all rusty and shit. So that's usually the hardest part. So guys, what you see me doing here is I'm cutting the ball joints, the actual shafts of them off because unfortunately my press is not wide enough to get in there. So we're making do with what we got, you know? Yep, guys, air hammer took the win on this one over the press. But you'll have that on them big jobs. All right, guys, ball joints are pressed out. We did some unoperating measures here, but they both press out this way from, is that the bottom of the knuckle? Yeah, no, top knuckle. So yeah, the top, they both press out the top way. So between sledgehammer, air hammer, heat, rust, it's a good old 13-year-old Ohio truck. Rust, so we're gonna show you putting them back in. It's like a sore dick, can't beat it. We're sweaty, we're greased up. All right, y'all. This is what we got operating with here. It's a good old party at PRDP Performance over here. We're fucking getting after it. There's fucking shit everywhere. Getting after it. Making it happen. We're doing axle shaft U-joints right now. The ball joints are clapitoed. They're dialed in. So here we are taking C-clips out. We're gonna pop this bad Jerry out here too. All right, guys, so U-joint is in on the axle shaft. Everything's greased up. I kind of did a time lapse of this stuff, so we're going to put the axle shaft seal on. And we got this, I think it's an OTC hub seal installer. I got this off Amazon a while back. It's definitely a tool you want to have, so we're going to film this and show what's going on real quick.
Powerstrokerrick.
Yeah, we're gonna figure out how to put
All right,
a wheel
y'all.
on this.
So right here, you put your axle seal. Got your hub tool. Takes about 5 minutes, man. Just pound it in. Stops here flush. Dialed in. It's like a Sword Johnson. You can't beat it. I gotta do something else, man. I gotta find a different job to do because this ain't too fun anymore. But just want to give you guys a little update. This thing's a little cheeched up. Yep. Tail light warranty, baby. Stars and stripes and Master Pro fucking wheel bearings. We're gonna put some fucking that wheel speed sensor. We're gonna gobble her up in there. We're gonna slap the old tie rod in. Is Pete Davidson here? Oh, Pistol Pete.
Oh,
Backing in the rig. We'll show you what time it is, y'all. It's 4:57.
2 hours behind schedule.
These cats are 2 hours behind over here. What's going on?
We're fucking right on time.
Yeah, we're over here on time, throttling it up and whatnot. Shit.
And he just went to bed too.
Rob. All right, YouTube, that's a full 2-hour job install of upper and lower ball joints, axle shaft U-joint, hub assembly. I said 2 hours.
2 days, but
Yeah,
it's a 2-day job.
yeah. It might have been a little longer than 2 hours, y'all, but it's most definitely like a sore dick. You can't fucking beat it. Add a 1 in front of that, and that's it, y'all. All right, y'all. Shazam, we're fucking tired.
Ciao.
We got the crew over here fucking checking her out. Powerstroke
Subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. Anybody? My Venmo is in the bio, so donate to help the cause of me building the shop. And